Today I'm going to show you how to get the 2007 Transformers movie Deluxe Class Concept Camaro Bumblebee back into his vehicle mode. First thing you do is hold on, let me get rid of this. First thing you do is you fold these out like this, and right here undo that, then pull the arms out like this, lift this up, fold these down, and move the windshield up, and hold on one second. Then next thing you want to do is you want to take these arms, have them tab in, like this, but hold on. Maybe it helps if you do this. You roll these doors like this, push them in. Let me do this real quick. Hold on, let me line that up on off camera. Okay, I got it. Next thing you want to do is you want to take the legs, hold them up like this, hold the heel spur in, take this piece, move it like this. Same thing on this side. Move this up. Hold the heel in. Though for some reason it's not doing it now. There we go. Do the same thing right here. Then take his cannon. There's these pegs on both sides. You want to peg that in right there. Tab this together. And then you want to put these down and close the doors. Hold on, there's supposed to be a tab that goes into a hole, but hold on. Okay, I think I got it. Hold on, I can't get that to line up, but it doesn't matter. There's my my tutorial video on how to get the 2007 Transformers movie Deluxe Class Concept Camaro Bumblebee back into his robot mode. Goodbye.